Now, the breaking news, and we knew it was happening, now it has happened. Manchester United have signed a midfielder, but Dharmesh, not who we thought.
Very good. It's an exciting signing, actually, because Manchester United are really, really excited about this signing. They've been scouting him for a while, and now it's official. The pictures are up. He's there, standing behind the desk, sitting behind the desk, signing the contract. Is a Manchester United player.
Today for Manchester United. A brand new deal. I mean, how good is it to get that out there for I guess for the club, you know, to show the commitment that they're making to him, but also for him as a player.
Yeah, obviously for so many different reasons. It's we're delighted that Harry's agreed and it's been done, and I think stability and consistency is important. He's been through everything at this club. He knows what it's all about. The way he handles himself, his character, and he's been terrific since I've came back, and in credit to him for that, really, you know. And I think the experience is important. We got a really good mix within the squad of some really talented and high-end ability-wise younger players. We got a good number in what we kind of class as the peak years, and obviously at that stage where he is getting a little bit further down the line in terms of career, but it doesn't diminish the importance of what he can be, and the example and the understanding, and a little bit of just knowing what it feels like to be here, and so to have him around for longer is fantastic for all of us at the club.
Manchester United preparing massive. As Elliott Anderson arrived at Carrington for medical, the excitement surrounding Manchester United continues to grow as reports linking the club with talented midfielder Elliott Anderson dominate football discussions across social media and fan communities worldwide. Supporters are already dreaming about how the highly rated midfielder could completely reshape the future of the team's midfield with his incredible energy, technical brilliance, composure, and relentless pressing style. Manchester United fans have been demanding a more aggressive and dynamic midfield for several seasons, and many believe Elliott Anderson perfectly fits the profile needed to restore dominance at Old Trafford. The young midfielder has built a strong reputation for his ability to control the tempo of matches, drive forward with confidence, create chances under pressure, and work tirelessly both offensively and defensively. One of the biggest reasons supporters are excited about this potential move is Anderson's modern playing style. In today's football, elite midfielders are expected to contribute in every area of the pitch, and Anderson has consistently shown the qualities needed to thrive at the highest level. His intelligence on the ball, quick decision-making, and ability to break opposition lines make him one of the most exciting young midfield talents, currently attracting attention in English football. K7 fans have already started imagining partnerships between Anderson and Manchester United's current stars, believing his arrival could bring much-needed balance and intensity to the squad. Social media reactions have exploded with excitement, with many supporters describing him as the perfect long-term solution for United's midfield rebuild. The speculation has also increased hopes that Manchester United are serious about building a younger, faster, and more energetic squad capable of competing with Europe's elite clubs once again. The club's supporters are eager to see a return to high-intensity football filled with pressing, attacking movement, creativity, and passion, qualities Anderson is widely praised for. While nothing has been officially confirmed, the growing rumors continue to generate massive anticipation among fans around the world. If Manchester United succeed in securing Elliott Anderson's signature, it could mark the beginning of a thrilling new era at Old Trafford and potentially become one of the most exciting midfield additions in recent years.